Oh my god, that's the blockage. There we go.
Guys, like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching my video.
Recording. Right, okay guys, so what it is, this customer has a blockage in the downpipe somewhere. We're just going to pull it out quickly for her and then do a camera inspection and make sure that everything's okay. But for the purposes of this video, we're just going to get the best bits and take the blockage out. Would you like to just go and check your toilet for me? Yeah, just like a nice long flush. Oh my god, that's the blockage. There we go. We found it. I caramba. Don't see that every day. But we'll have to put the camera up there after and to make sure that that come out.
Don't even.
No.
Don't.
Joking. No, straight down my life. Those come out. I've got it on video. I've got a YouTube channel. If you want to add me on YouTube, I'll upload a video.
Even.
Yeah. That just come flying out. But I'm going to put a camera up there anyway, just in case anything else has gone in there. Yeah?
Yeah.
Right, so let me just turn the machine off and we'll go back up with the camera, yeah? Right. Right guys, you've just seen it. I'm not going to show you guys the CCTV, there's no point. But if there is anything interesting, I will turn the camera back and show you.